All right, we got this super high quality, super high value XHTT socket set, 216 pieces. Comes in this nice case right here. Very nice case, very high quality with the metal latches up here. I'm just gonna unlatch them right now. And let's go ahead and open this up. I'm gonna actually move the camera down a little bit just to give you a full vibe. And we're just gonna open this up, get this latch out of the way. Open this up, look at this set right here. Look at this, this is insane. 216 pieces. Got this nice ratchet right here. Look at that. Smaller one. And then you've even got a smaller one. So you got 3 of these. Set those back in place. Look at all these different sockets. You got all these wrenches right here. Here's the big one. The biggest one right here. And then you've got all the way to the smallest one right here. So many sizes. Then you've got all these. Let's show a few of these right here. Different sizes. Let me get this out. Got this one right here. You got this one, a little bit smaller, and then you've got one that's even a little bit smaller. So, very nice. This is a very nice set. And look at all these pieces right here. Look at this one. Look at how many there are. Going off the screen, all the way over here. Let's go to this one. Look at this one, small. So many different pieces in this set. I mean, this should be way more than it is. You've got these bits right here, here. You even got, let me just show you all of them right here. There. Let's show a little bit more, and I'll end it. Oh, you got this one. Let's show some of these. Very nice. And then, I mean, dude, look at this. Look at all these bits right in here. You got these ones in here. I mean, dude, if you don't get this, that doesn't even make sense. That's just crazy. That's just crazy. So straight up, super high quality set, super high value. This is what you want, and I highly recommend it.